Hi Larry, I decided I'd mess around with this. And I've already done a few things before I started recording. First thing I did is, the first thing I did was actually open this window to see what the material was, and you put the same material on the windows as you did. Let me show you this thing. Same material you did up here on the window frames. You can see I've changed some of it. What I did is I figured out what this material was. It was window sash, burgundy. And I went to, over here on the general tab, clicked here, added this to custom colors, and then from that, I created a new material that was just the color called burgundy. So I put this burgundy stuff on the window frames and left that other material that you made on the cowling or whatever you want to call that. Shows up okay in vector view, but in render view it's just going to look like a color. So I think what I'd do, instead of just using this line thing here, I'd find some siding. I think that's what I will do. Just going to click on that, whatever that is. Roof plane, okay, fine. And see, I hadn't looked and see how you've done some of the things you've done. Okay, roof surface, I get it. We'll go to library material and see if I can find something that'll work. Maybe I need to look under just metal roofing or siding or something. It looks like they use kind of a vinyl siding for that stuff. Not bonus. What am I thinking of? It's material siding. It looks like just plain old siding to me, vinyl siding. Kind of sort. It's not Dutch lap, I understand. Well, I'm going to use this just for fun. I'm going to put this white stuff on there. See what that looks like. That didn't look very good either. Let me go to that dialogue again. Oh, I see. First of all, let's fix this material up here. Okay, there it is there, this white siding. I'm going to edit it. And blend color with texture. See, I want to do that. There's my burgundy. Blend it with that. I think that'll look better. Yeah, you be the judge. Okay, and that material is called, what is that? White siding, okay. So that's for that. The sheathing will change to white siding. Softer eaves. Kind of doing the same thing you did. No, white siding, yeah. I just think it'll look better in more views. I don't know. Maybe it's a little bit too dark. You're the boss. But I think it'll show up, you know, effective in both vector view and texture views a little bit better. You be the judge. I'll leave that alone. Now, on this wall here, I got the burgundy color. Where I was going with this is to explain to you how I got rid of the stuff over there. I went to, let me go to there we go, got the wall. You had fur as your material in here, and that was what was showing. It was showing up as some white color, but I just changed it to burgundy, and that pretty much solved the gaps you were seeing. Get rid of that message. I'm going to control tab back to the camera that's open. So that's how I got rid of that. Now, the way you get rid of those little gray things, I'm going to click over here. You can see there's the doorway object. The only thing that you missed was going over to the casing tab and suppressing the sill. That took care of that. That was pretty easy. I think I messed that window up. Sorry about that. Yeah, I got the glass set to burgundy. Just use default. There we go. Yeah, I missed a couple of windows up there. Using a material painter. I ought to know better, but that's how that happened. Let's go back to the default and fix that. Okay, so I use a material painter to get rid of some of the line stuff, and you might want to consider using this material for the cowling. Now, this thing here, doorways will work fine there, but doorways not going to work okay here. So what I'm going to do, or what I suggest you do, there's that doorway. I'm just going to guess because I'm just putzing around here. I'm going to go into an elevation camera slightly off angle so I can get both of these walls at the same time, this one and this one. And I'm just going to alter the poly lines, the wall poly lines. I click here, hit the tab key, and then break the bottom. We'll have to check it in the camera and see if it looks worth a darn. I'll use that to line up with the doorways you've got over there, and do the same thing here. Hit next, break the poly line. Now you have the dimensions of the things, but I'm just showing you what I would do. Well, they don't exactly match. The height of your doorways don't seem to match on both sides. Anyway, you get the idea. So let's see how that looks on a 3D camera. Sometimes the stuff in elevation cameras will look, oh, well, it looks all right. But you can't make doorways go around corners, so, and there's always more than one way to skin a cat kind of thing. So a suggestion here on this material, and make your wall the same color as your trim, and then get rid of your sills where you're using doorways. Get rid of that one there. Casing, express sill. I don't know why it shows white, but suppressing it kind of takes care of that. That's it. I hope that hurries you on your way, and it was fun. Thank you.